ruled over the Amber city.
10th to 17th century,
So they
Amber
ruled
city.
there, Amber city. And in the first part of 18th century, in 1727, they founded the new city that's named Jaipur city, the Pink City. And the Jaipur city, the Pink City was founded in 1727 by the King Sawai Jai Singh II. But earlier was the Amber city. So there was some problem over the population growing day by day, some scarcity of water, and that city is surrounded by mountains, Aravalli Mountains, the world's oldest mountain. It's spread about 692 kilometer area, among 692, 550 kilometer only in Rajasthan, and remaining in Gujarat, Haryana, and Delhi. Okay. So because of the mountain and because of the scarcity of water, they founded the new city, that named Jaipur city, the Pink City. And Jaipur is a first well-planned city in India. Everything according to planning, the roads, palaces, offices. And the city was built the principle of astrology, Vastu Shastra. The Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II, he himself was the great astrologer, astronomist and mathematician. He made a Jantar Mantar in 5 different cities. First one in Delhi. After Delhi, he made in Ujjain, then Mathura, Varanasi, last one in Jaipur. And for the planning of Jaipur city, he consulted with many books on the architecture and architects. He had 9 advisors in his kingdom. So one of the 9 advisors, his name was Vidyadhar Bhattacharya. He was from West of Bengal. He prepared the layout of Jaipur city. Divided all the city in 9 blocks in 9 grid patterns. 7 blocks he had for the city area and 2 blocks he had for his royal residence and the state buildings and some offices. So the city palace which we are going to see, that's in 2 blocks. And he made 7 gates throughout the city. 3 gates are in the south side, one in the east side known as Shanpur, one in the west side known as Moonpur, and 2 gates in the north side. And made huge wall more than 6 meter high throughout the Pink City. And the roads in Jaipur, especially in the Pink City, very wide, 110 feet wide. Because in past they used the cabs and chariots, so multi-cab chariot more than 2-3 passed at a time. That's why the roads are very wide, and the roads are very straight and cut each other on a 90-degree angle. So if you go in any way, remember the direction, you can come on the main road. And when he founded the city, he brought some artists and the businessmen from the big cities and provided them the proper places for factories and residence. So since then the people are doing same kind of business like textile, carpet, jewelry, handicraft. And Jaipur is especially famous for these kind of things.